Hey, welcome back to Joe Prophet Channel. What you're looking at right now is the Swiss Army surplus military axe. It's a nice little camp axe. From the overall length is 15.5 inches. From the bottom here to the top, about 3.5, and this measures about 5 to 6 inches. Came pretty dull. Really haven't done anything a whole lot with it since I got it in February. Just now really getting used to using a puck and a file. So stay tuned and we'll see what she does. So, being a little bit safe with this, got me a nice evenly cut piece. It's already been pre-split on the other sides, and we'll see what this axe will do. As you can see, that had no problem going through. And as you see how it's stuck, that's the reason why we do this at a good distance back, arm lengths away, for that very reason. So if this comes down, it's only going to go into the stump. You start seeing how easy this actually processes. So you can keep going down with this, no problem. Let's see about shaving. Here we're going to see whether or not it's any good for shaving. We've seen it works well for splitting. Now you can choke up on this really good. Make sure you guys can see that, how well you can actually choke up. Wants to take big bites out of things, not so much for the small. But it does produce some, more finer than anything else. So let's see if we can do common chores. So you see here, you can make you a steak. It doesn't do that well with it. I've done better with others, but functionality does do well. Overall, with it being a thick palmer in the back here, you'd have no problem pounding in 10 steaks, things like that. But this does have some weight to it. It's one of the things that makes it great at splitting. But it's very wide up top. I've not had any problems out of the eyelet, but this is very heavy. This is not something that you would want to take on a long distance trail. So if you guys like this, like, share, and subscribe, and you guys enjoy. Have a good day.